Third way to add value is to simplify the complex. A few episodes ago, we talked about how overwhelm is the problem of today. And where there is overwhelm, there is opportunity. There is so much information out there, so much conflicting information out there, and life is overwhelming in and of itself because we're inundated with screens and texts and notifications and life and blah. We're overwhelmed people. So if you can come in your space and your niche, and if you can take what's complex and overwhelming and simplify it so that your students or your people understand it better, you are very valuable to them, my friend. This is what I do every single week. In the audio world, I have become known for taking highly technical, highly complex subjects of audio engineering and making it simple to understand and execute for my students. That is my bread and butter because I take the complex and make it simple. Fourth way you can add value to people: save someone time or save someone hassle. On the time front, think about how many businesses are out here that exist solely to save you and me time. Fast food restaurants like McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, whatever, Burger King, whatever. They exist for a lot of reasons, but one of the primary reasons they add tons of value to the American public, for better or for worse, is that they can make you dinner or lunch or breakfast and have it ready to you instantly. You don't have to spend time cooking. You don't have to spend time sourcing ingredients. You don't have to go to the grocery store. You can literally be out and about and be like, crap, I need to eat something. I don't have time, McDonald's, right? Or if you're Christian, Chick-fil-A. Just joking. Everybody likes Chick-fil-A, Christian or non-Christian, but it's just a Christian joke, whatever. Where can you save somebody time or save them hassle? That's a way to add value. Number 5, entertain. There are entire businesses that exist just to entertain you. They're not innovative. They're not doing something no one else has ever done. Comedians, people have been telling jokes and making people laugh since the dawn of time. Laughter, entertainment is valuable. Stand-up comedians are valuable. Movies and books that provide entertainment are valuable. That's why we pay for them. They create value just purely by entertaining us. That's how a lot of YouTubers make a living. They grow a massive, massive audience, so now they can monetize that audience through pays or brand deals or sponsorships or things like that. They don't have products necessarily that they sell, but they have eyeballs and they entertain, and so that's a way they add value. Again, it's not even about having products. The point is you can make a profit by thinking of how can I add value, and people on YouTube that just entertain, whether it's funny or they do crazy challenges or they dance or they sing or whatever, they are adding value to the world and they can be compensated because that's value. Compensation, money follows value.